Electricians, we at Sylvie's Industrial Solutions are very happy to introduce to you our very own Stanley 3-in-1 crimping tool, which is very easy to use and handle. This crimping tool can cut wrong cables, strip wrong cables, cut flat cables. This crimping tool has a unique compact design of a pliers head, so convenient for various stripping cable. So what are you waiting for? Come on down now to Sylvie's Industrial Solution and invest today in your 3-in-1 crimping tool. We are located at 31 High in Hadfield Street behind the Parliament Building. You can also shop online at sylviesonline.com, or you can WhatsApp us on 623-7755 and ask for your truly Mariah.